I'm from Houston, Texas, and it's really hot over there. I got my snow cone bus last June, so I got to work all June, July, and August, and September, and it was really hot. And everybody in Houston loves Snowy. They chase me down on the freeway, they take pictures of me, and I'm having a lot of fun and making money at the same time. I came from a job that I was working, a really hard job in the hot sun, cleaning tanks out, the road tanks that you see, chemical tanks that you see, 18-wheelers. I was cleaning those out, and I'd done that for 20 years. So I was fed up with it. And the money that I made in 3 months, it took me 6 months to make at my job, and working 3 times as hard. So I'm really excited about this summer. I have a big gig coming in July, so I'm looking forward to it. So I'm trying to get all the information I can get from here where I can be successful at that event. I do a lot of birthday parties. I'm booked every Saturday in the summertime. I don't have no free Saturdays, so I'm very happy with Snowy, and I love no franchise fees.
Ripping business, and currently are, but it is a dying business of cedar roofs that nobody buys anymore. So for years we've tried to figure out how we can make money after this is done with the cedar roof specialists, what the business is called. And we came across this idea, and it seemed like a no-brainer, and everything that we heard about it sounds 100% legit. We already have venues signed up before we even bought the bus, and we're going for it. So I think there's absolutely no chance that we won't succeed. We're very excited.
We actually got the idea by going to Cash and Carry for a 4th of July party, picked up some snow cone stuff. We're like, you know what, we can find better snow cones. Looked up online, looked through the different places, and found that everybody else is using Snowy products. We're like, why go with anybody else when we can go right from the dealer themselves? So that's why we came to Snowy.
I chose Snowy because of the family feel. When I first called and spoke with Stella and Aaron, I could feel, it didn't feel like a big box company. It felt like I was talking to regular people. And when I came down to the trade show the end of March, that's kind of where I made my mind that, yeah, this is where I want to start in shaved ice. It's not a franchise. It's easy to get started. I could tell customer support would be great, and it has been all along. And so when I came down and met the family, it just felt right.
Did you help your dad with that decision?
Yeah, I mean, he brought home the flyers and everything, and I haven't seen any other design like y'all, so that was the deal breaker. I mean, look at the bus, it's so pretty.
In the end, after coming to the trade show here and hearing from other equipment owners, some have been in the business for years, some 1 year, some were brand new like myself. Some had the bus, some had buildings, some had kiosks. And hearing the training, getting the information that was presented, it was easy. It wasn't like it was, I had to sleep on it anymore. I was ready to move forward with the bus, which is what I've wanted from the beginning. And the process was just really easy. It was smooth transition, getting it started until today, getting it finalized.
I didn't really have a big part in choosing what we were gonna do, like what if we were gonna do, the flavor station or the bus or anything, but I was all for the bus because it has wheels and it's mobile, so that means we can go anywhere we want to go and cater to the people, which means money.